Now, let's look at the item registration of CommonCore plugins. All items that you want to use in the given CommonCore plugin have to be specified in the item section of the CommonCore plugin configuration. Every item has its own item identifier, and you will use this item identifier throughout other parts of the config. After you specify the item identifier, you can also specify other attributes of the given item. Some of the attributes you can specify are name. Name is the display name of the item. It supports color formatting using the paragraph sign. Material of the item has to be always specified. You specify the material of the item using the bucket material name. If you want, you can also specify the amount of the item, and this amount will be used, for example, when you use the item as a result of a recipe. You can also specify a damage and whether the item is unbreakable. To specify a lore, you use YAML list, and every lore line will be on its own line. To add a lore line, you simply have to specify another line. Lore also supports color formatting. If you want, you can also add some item flags. However, it is not suggested for older Minecraft versions. To add enchantments, you have to type enchantments double dot, and then for every enchantment that you want to add, you have to specify the enchantment name, double dot, and the enchantment level. If you don't want to add some of these attributes, simply don't write them into the config file. Now, let's look at an example. We have specified 4 items in this part of the configuration. The item identifier of the first item is common chest item. Its name is common ultra chest. Its material will be chest. It has this lore, and its enchantment is infinity 10. The other item that we have specified has item identifier tool. It has the name beacon setter. Its material is golden hoe. The amount is 1 and the damage is 0. That means that it doesn't have any damage. It is also unbreakable. It has specified a lore and also some enchantments. We have also used an item flag to hide all enchantments. After that, we have specified the slime block item with the amount of 12 and also a beacon block without any other attributes.